All right, so take a look at this live picture above downtown Toledo where we've got those really brisk winds that are continuing. It is that wind chill. If you're trying to fall asleep now and the winds are still rattling the windows or shaking the rooftop, yeah, we're there with you. We've felt those winds much of the day. Right at 0 degrees, west-southwest winds 25 miles per hour, gusting to 39. And we've had numerous 50-plus mile per hour wind gusts through the course of the day. We're going to hold fairly steady with the temperatures. Actually may rise a few degrees as the heart of that Arctic air begins to leave the region. But those winds will stay very brisk into tomorrow morning, and those wind chills are going to be frigid. Now, accumulating snow, for the most part, is absolutely done with. We're going to get some light snow showers or flurries tonight and again tomorrow, but a lot of that is going to be lake effect, remnant lake effect moisture drifting off of some of the Lake Erie shores. Now, I do have some showers or snow showers rather moving through Erie and Huron County, those zipping off to the east where they're getting hit really hard. A really crippling, life-threatening blizzard over toward Buffalo, New York, where they're going to get, again, several feet of snow in the midst of a blizzard. Our temperatures, though, look at how much this Arctic air has made its way into the entire region. We are just plunging, or did plunge over the past 24 hours. And compared to where we were at this point yesterday with the arrival of that Arctic air, many areas about 40 to 45 degrees colder than yesterday evening. Still have wind gusts exceeding 40 to 45 miles per hour, so we've got widespread blowing and drifting of snow. Poor travel going to be expected tonight, and we're trying to take a peek at a few areas. And of course, with the darkness, a little more difficult, and that means travel would also be more difficult. Down toward Findlay, some icy, slippery roads. Out toward Lake Township, not much better. And Bowling Green, you got those winds whipping across I-75, bringing those blowing and drifting of that snow. Current wind chills anywhere from 15, 20, 25, even close to 30 below zero. And they don't get much better as we go into tomorrow morning. We're still going to see double digits below zero. And I expect much of the day it is going to be bitterly cold, winds gusting still 40 to 45 miles per hour. And I'll tell you, if you are going to be traveling, travel with caution and be prepared for the cold and the windy weather to continue through and into Sunday morning. Tonight, that frigid wind blowing snow right around or close to below zero, 2 degrees below zero for the low. May actually climb a few degrees into tomorrow morning. West winds 20 to 35 miles per hour, gusting to 45. For your Saturday, we even out through the upper single digits into the lower teens, and it will stay windy with wind gusts 40 to 45 miles per hour for tomorrow afternoon. High on Saturday, right around 11 degrees. Wind gusts still going to be up there, blowing and drifting of that snow, and a few light snow showers. And bundle up if you're going to be outdoors or traveling. 16 the high on Christmas Day after we start the day. Sub-zero wind chills, right around 3 for the low Christmas morning. 23 Monday, a couple flurries. 28 on Tuesday, then 41. We get a warm front that works through Wednesday into Thursday. And look what it does. It takes us close to 50 late week. We're talking Thursday, Friday, right around 50 degrees. Some rain showers and wet and warm weather to end 2022. And we're working to the new year, highs into the low and mid 50s, additional rain showers, but a huge sweeping warm up going to melt away the winter blues we feel this weekend.